All right, so we got here is a nice brain model. We're gonna, dissect it today and look at it. So here we have the longitudinal fissure. We have the central sulcus, and we have the precentral, postcentral gyri. So precentral gyrus, postcentral gyrus, and I guess we'll show on one of these. You have the latitudinal fissure, lateral fissure. Sorry. So bust open this puppy. They have the corpus callosum here. Beneath that is the septum pellucidum. You have the choroid plexus here. Fornix. This is the insula. Fits in nicely. So here we have the thalamus, this area, and this is the intermediate mass. This would be the third ventricle, and it would lead down to the hypothalamus here, which would be connected to the infundibulum, and then have the pituitary gland here. On the other side is the pineal body, and here we have the mammillary body. We have the corpora quadrigemina here, which is composed of the superior and inferior colliculi. So this is the third ventricle here. It goes down to the cerebral aqueduct to the fourth ventricle. This area would be the diencephalon. This part would be the mesencephalon. This would be the pons here, and this is the medulla oblongata. I think that should. And okay, so do the nerves. So, nope. Bear with me. So we have the olfactory nerve here. The optic nerve is kind of attached to the hypothalamus, and then it would come down and cross over in the optic chiasm. So left goes to right as it goes down. So olfactory, optic, oculomotor. This is not a very good model. Oculomotor is here, and then we would get going back to this one now. So oculomotor, and then we'd have trochlear. Trigeminal is the pimple on the pons. We'd have abducens, facial, and vestibulocochlear. And then there are three offshoots below that, which would be glossopharyngeal, vagus, and accessory. And then the hypoglossal is medial, back here. So there's all 12. So we'll move on to the cerebellum, which is very easy to attach. No problems at all. I assure you there's no problems attaching cerebellum. All right. So we would have the arbor vitae to the tree of life go together, and this would sit kind of in the pons, a little bit of space. The corpora quadrigemina is a little bit above it. So we have the actually maybe this way. So we have the vermis, the falx cerebelli, the tentorium cerebelli would be this kind of fissure right here, and these are the cerebellar peduncles. And these are the cerebellar hemispheres.
Okay, I think that's it.